Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna walk you through how to create a GUI app using Python and Tkinter. So this is the app that we're gonna build. So this is like a point of sale system with a photo. There are buttons, as you can see, clickable, and it updates the table here, the transaction details. So as I click, it updates. And then if we want to edit the transaction, we click here. It will pop up a new window in which we can reduce, or we can subtract and add an item like that. And we will also have an error handling. As you can see, we can add, and then we will confirm. And once we confirm, it will update in this table. And then we can also generate receipt. So here, it's gonna create a new window again. And then here it is, our receipt. So that's all what we're gonna do in this project. So whenever we create a Python project, we should always do this first. Open up the terminal, and then we run this. What this does is we create a virtual environment for our project. Then the next thing we need to do is to activate the virtual environment. Now that the virtual environment is activated, we will need to install Tkinter. Then after that, we also have to install Pillow. Tkinter is Python package for a graphical user interface, and Pillow is for handling the images. After we install the necessary packages that we're gonna use in this project, we're gonna set up our folder structure. We're gonna create the assets folder that contains image and also data. Now here we created the image and data. Now we're gonna create our main Python file. In this Python file, we're gonna write code that will generate our GUI app. Next is we're gonna import the necessary packages that we're gonna use. Since we're not gonna use a database, we're gonna set up our variables here. Here we will use this as our database. A Python dictionary. I'm just gonna leave a comment here because we're gonna use this later. Then the next thing we need to do is create our Tkinter instance. So now, if we try to run our Python file, this will now generate this window. I'm gonna try to explain everything that we did. So here we import the necessary packages. JSON, which will read the JSON object. Tkinter is our Python package that generates this. Data classes this is for the object-oriented programming. Pathlib is for navigating the OS for paths. This is for handling the time. I'm gonna use this for showing errors. Typing is for type hinting, and date time is for date and time. So here, from pill image and image TK is for handling the images. The CWD is the current working directory. So I'm basing it from this file and then going up one level. So this is then that is the folder. So assets, we're just joining the paths from CWD. Then next is the assets. So this is this. Yeah. So this is the assets folder. And the orders, this will be a Python dictionary that we will use as our database. And later I will put something here for the reference. Root equals tk.tk will be our root GUI app. The title, as you can see, you will see it here. This is the title. And the root that main.loop will compile everything and then generate this window. So that's it. The video is getting longer, so I will stop here and we will continue to the next video. See you soon.